There is something about a lettuce wrap that just brings me so much joy. They're messy and they're refreshing. I just love them. We're gonna start by cooking the turkey and the mushrooms together. Well, we're gonna chop the mushrooms. I like to make sure my mushrooms are really good and chopped so they blend well with your turkey or ground chicken. Add your ground turkey and your chopped mushrooms into the skillet. You'll use a spoon to help break up the ground turkey and mix in the mushrooms. Just love the way ginger and garlic smell. You'll cook the turkey mixture until the ground turkey is done and the mushrooms have released their juices and the liquid has evaporated. If you need to drain it, you can. So once it's cooked, you're gonna add in the ginger and garlic. Let this cook for a few minutes and then transfer it into a bowl. And while that's doing its thing, we're gonna make the sauce. So we add hoisin. Whoa, that's one. Clearly it doesn't have to be exact. I like to do the hoisin sauce first because it's so thick. Tamari sauce, rice vinegar, sriracha sauce, and sesame oil. Whisk it all together. This is cooked, so now we're going to transfer it to a bowl. So we're just gonna pour half the sauce mixture. You don't have to measure, just add about half. That's about right. Stir it all together. If you look at the turkey and you're like, it needs more sauce, add some more sauce. It's just fun to have a dipping sauce on the side, you know? And now it's time to fill our lettuce. It's time to get eating. We got the green onions, we're just gonna stir them in. Green onions are now in. Now we're gonna assemble our lettuce wraps. Just spoon some of the mixture into each piece of lettuce. Yes, my hands are clean. I'm gonna dip into this sauce over here. So messy and so wonderful. You can also use ground chicken if you prefer. If you use extra lean or ground chicken or turkey breast, then you may want to add a tablespoon or so of oil in here to keep it from sticking. The nice thing about this dish is you can actually freeze the turkey mixture and then the sauce mixture. You can freeze them separately, thaw them, and use them to make lettuce wraps later. I'll be back. He is ready for you to move. Ground turkey and the mushrooms. Spoon to help grate. I like to use one of these, what is this called? What is this called? Wooden, no, not wooden. What's this called? And then assemble when you're ready. Oh, I just lost my balance. Turkey is done and all the sawbug. I didn't though, no worries. What was I saying? I love this recipe. For the full recipe, visit Living Well Kitchen. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and share.